Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Girl Crafts is probably one of the most creative and engaging ways to keep your 10-year-old girl entertained and learning, offering a fantastic outlet for self-expression, skill development, and hours of fun. This video explores a range of exciting craft ideas perfect for girls aged 10, focusing on projects that are both fun and encourage creativity, from jewelry making and painting to more intricate projects that challenge their abilities and spark their imagination. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a sparkling masterpiece. It's easy and fun for kids of all ages. This kit has a water bottle, charms, tons of stickers, and a wristlet. There are even extra stickers for more decorating fun. Looking for a unique and creative gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun, practical, and memorable. It's easy for little hands to use, the stickers are waterproof, and it's made with safe, non-toxic materials. Plus, it's easy to clean. We prioritize your child's safety. It's rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards, so you can have peace of mind. What we like? It's a magical crafting experience with a unicorn theme and everything included. If you are looking for a fun and practical gift for a unicorn lover, you should consider this. The safe materials ensure peace of mind for parents while the child enjoys decorating their own water bottle. What people say? So fun and creative. The stickers are cute and stick well. Great gift or rainy day project. Amazing product if you have kids. My daughter loves her new water bottle. She also had so much fun decorating it. I love that it's like an activity and she gets to personalize her own bottle. Perfect for her age, she's 7. Great quality and much more stickers that can be used so you can use them for something else too. The kit comes with everything needed to transform a plain water bottle into a unique masterpiece: multiple sheets of vibrant stickers, glittery gems, and colorful markers. The variety of decorations allows for endless combinations, ensuring that each bottle reflects its creator's personality and style. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Rainbow Scratch Art. It's a complete 79-piece craft set, perfect for kids aged 4 to 12. It includes everything they need to create amazing rainbow scratch art. Scratch the black coating to reveal vibrant, multicolored layers. It's a fun and exciting way to bring their artwork to life. It's made with thick, high-quality rainbow scratch sheets and a durable coating that resists tearing. This ensures clean, detailed artwork every time. It's designed for children and first-time crafters, making it ideal for birthdays, classroom projects, or any group activity. It's also great for parties and weddings. It's lightweight and mess-free, perfect for travel, quiet time activities, or anytime creative fun. It's ideal for summer activities, road trips, or even camping. What we like? This complete set offers endless creative fun with vibrant colors revealed by scratching. If you're looking for a mess-free, portable craft activity, this is it. It's perfect for travel, quiet time, or group fun, boosting creativity and fine motor skills. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Sungemmers Kit. It's everything you need in one box. 2 designs, color guides, gems, and easy instructions are all included to create sparkling window decorations. Just peel and stick. No glue, no paint, no mess. It's a hassle-free creative activity for kids and parents. This interactive craft project helps improve fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's perfect for imaginative kids. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. Kids will love creating their own decorative window art and having hours of screen-free fun. Made with non-toxic, kid-friendly materials. The gems stick firmly, creating a vibrant, stained glass effect. From the makers of Purple Ladybug, winner of the 2024 Parents' Picks Award. There are more exciting Sungemmers kits to discover. What we like? Create beautiful, sparkling window decor with ease using this mess-free kit. If you like easy, creative activities with stunning results, you should choose this. It's a perfect gift that provides hours of screen-free fun and beautiful window art. What people say? The Sungemmers Suncatcher Kit is a fantastic all-in-one craft set that delivers a fun, mess-free, and engaging creative experience for kids. With 2 large, pre-printed designs, a heart and a flower, over 1,000 sparkling stickers, and easy-to-follow instructions, this kit provides everything needed for children to create vibrant, window-worthy art. The peel and stick gems allow kids to follow the color guide or experiment with their own designs, enhancing both their creativity and fine motor skills. It's an excellent way to develop hand-eye coordination and color recognition while keeping children entertained. This is a cute and quiet easy craft for younger children. It comes with two designs to follow if you choose. Or you can design the gems with your own ideas. It's good for hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills for young children. It's a good idea for kids to make as valuable gifts for their moms or loved ones. They're super colorful and easy to apply to a window of your choice. Number 2. Hapinest DIY Journal Set. It's a complete journaling kit, perfect for young creators. Everything you need to make a unique and personalized journal is included. Designed for girls aged 8 to 14, it's a fantastic way to express yourself. Let your imagination run wild. Looking for a fun and functional gift? This is it. It's ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. This 63-piece kit includes a journal, frames, stickers, scrapbook pages, and more. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. It arrives in attractive packaging, making it a delightful gift to give and receive. Get ready to be amazed. With this kit, journaling and scrapbooking become fun and easy. Create memories that will last a lifetime. What we like? This complete kit lets your child create a unique, personalized journal. If your child enjoys creative expression and journaling, this is a thoughtful gift. It fosters creativity and self-expression, making it an ideal gift for young creators. What people say. Things to decorate pages is good. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. Very nice colors and a great selection of little add-ons for her creations. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Picture Frame Kit. It's time to get creative with our Decorate Your Own Picture Frame Kit. This kit has everything you need for a fun and mess-free crafting experience. You'll find a wooden frame, colorful mosaic stones, plaster, glue, and all the tools you need to create a beautiful masterpiece. Easy-to-follow instructions are included. The shimmering mosaic stones are perfect for expressing your unique style. It's a great way to improve fine motor skills and have fun at the same time. It's made with safe, non-toxic materials, so you can craft with confidence. This activity is perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. It makes a wonderful birthday or holiday gift. It's also great for solo play, rainy days, or parties. Get ready to create some memories. Once you're finished, you can proudly display your picture in this frame. It's the perfect way to showcase your artwork or give a heartfelt handmade gift to someone special. What we like? Make a personalized photo frame with colorful mosaic stones. If you are looking for a fun, hands-on project that results in a cherished keepsake, this is perfect. It's a thoughtful gift and a great way to spend screen-free time. What people say. She loves crafting and she loved being able to make the frame and pick what picture she got to use. Easy and fun. It's of decent quality and it's a cute item for a child to decorate and give as a gift or for use in their own bedroom. This kit is easy to do and produces a beautiful gift. A great craft for gift giving that is actually something someone would like to have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.